Hey, welcome back guys. So today on this video, we are talking about your Google Ads campaign, and more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on my other video, and that is, how do you add a negative keyword to an ad group within one of your Google Ads campaigns? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off guys, real quick video, not too many steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you want to add a negative keyword to an ad group in one of your Google Ads campaigns anyways? Well, that's pretty easy. If you're running an online business and you're paying for Google Ads, you know that sometimes your ad is going to show up for something that's not relevant to your business. So it's better to go ahead and add it as a negative keyword so it doesn't fire off your ad and you have to pay for it. Whatever the case is, it's a pretty easy process. It's handled here in your Google Ads dashboard. Check my video description. I'll try to leave the written instructions there as well. But I've already logged into my Google Ads and this is the home screen. Now here on the home screen, if you want to add a negative keyword to just one ad group within a campaign, here on the left side, you're going to click on campaigns. Once you do that, you're going to see this menu and you want to click here on audiences, keywords, and content. Once you do that, you're going to see another drop down and you want to click on keywords. Once you do that, you're going to see these four options right here and you want to click on negative keywords. Okay, once you do that, you're going to click on this blue plus icon. Okay, so here is where you can go ahead and add a negative keyword. So what you're going to do is here on the top, you're going to choose one of these. So if you have a huge list of negative keywords you're going to add, you're going to use this option. If you're just going to add a few or one by one, you're going to choose this option here on the left. Once you've done that, you want to click on this button here, add to. So you have two different options. You can add the negative keyword to apply to the entire campaign, or you can do what we're doing today and we're going to add a negative keyword to one particular ad group. All right, once you've chosen that, go ahead and click here and choose the ad group that you want to add a negative keyword to. Okay, I went ahead and chose the ad group right here. So you can see this one was for a client that was doing some process server work and they're located in California. So we have an ad group that is targeted towards Oakland, California, but there happens to be another Oakland in Oregon. So obviously this person, they're not working in Oregon. So I'm going to go ahead and add Oregon as a negative keyword. So that way, if someone happens to be searching for a process server in Oakland, Oregon, it's not going to fire off this ad. So they're not going to pay for an ad click that's not really relevant to their business. So once you've added in the negative keyword, you're going to scroll down a little bit. Once you scroll down, you're going to see this blue save button. Go ahead and click on there. Okay, quick second later, the page refreshes. Now you can see the negative keyword was added to this ad group right here. And it's not going to apply to the entire campaign, just to that one ad group. And you can verify that over here on the right side. It says level ad group. So there you have it, guys. If you're wondering how to add a negative keyword to an ad group within one of your Google Ads campaigns, that's the easiest way I know how to do it. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.